Head to the LM Studio website and download the file for your operating system, then install it. By default, LM Studio will offer to download the Llama model, but you can skip that. Search for DeepSeek R1, and you'll be presented with an option to download it. It tells you if your computer can handle the model or not. Keep an eye out for quantized models, as those tend to be easier to run on less powerful computers without sacrificing too much performance. That's it. Now you can get talking to the LLM as you would on the website.